this lesson, we're going to take a look at the counters page block here. Counters are really great. They are really cool if you want to, let's say, just show a specific thing, or you want to highlight a specific thing about your products, your services, or your website. So let's go, for example, this business conference. I'm going to drag that over. And you notice that it counts up to that. It counts up to that. So if you want to change that, you put your mouse over this. You can click to edit. And you can change the targeted time. So I'm going to click on here. I can change when this is going to be. If you want to change the year, you go back that way. And you can pretty much change that. You can change, you can delete it. You can add it to your library. You can clone it. You can change conference, business conference. You can add marketing, business conference, or you can just delete this. So there are two ways you can delete items here. Right on the page. So you can click on this little edit icon, go to general, and you can choose whatever settings that you want for these, and you click on that little check mark right there to change that. So let's say you want to change the background for this. Click here, click on the pencil icon, and you can choose the background color. If you don't want it to be black, you can click here and change whatever color that you want it to be. So if your website has a certain color scheme that you're going for, you can do that here. Or let's go to type. You want to go to gradient. Nice gradient there. You can choose this the effect linear, or you want it to be radial. So you choose radial. That's going to change. You can choose your start color. You can choose your end color based on the look that you're going for. So let's scroll down here for the shape. You can also add some custom shapes to this. Right now the shape here is none. I want to go to, let's say for the bottom, a triangle. And let's go to the top. I want to add clouds. So now I've just changed the shape for that. And where it says color right here, I can change whatever color that I want that cloud to be. If I want it to be all white, I can do that. And if I want to change the shadow, I can do that as well. So this gives you a lot of flexibility in order for you to change that right there. So you're done with this, you don't want it anymore, just delete it, and you want to choose something else. You can scroll down and grab something to counter here based on what you're going for. Now just keep in mind too that based on the different options here, each one is going to look better based on the layout of your website. So whatever type of website you create, you want to make sure that you choose something that kind of fits in with that style for it. And then you can change the icons here, any one of them. Once you're done, just come here and you can just delete it.